Guys, welcome to this wonderful tutorial by Forex Success. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade boom 1000 index. This strategy works for boom 1000 and boom 500. I dropped a video before on how to trade crash 1000 index, that is buying crash 1000 index. But this video right now, this strategy I'm going to show you right now, you can use it to buy and sell boom 1000 and boom 500 index. It is a very powerful strategy. Guys, after this video, believe me, this is not just ordinary video you see on YouTube. This is a very powerful strategy, guys. It's a very powerful strategy for real. Like, you need to pay attentive, you need to pay attention, guys, to this video. Remember, don't skip any part of it, because you will definitely miss all the points I will be giving on this video. It's a very simple strategy if only you give attention. I know by the end of this video you should have been able to learn how you can start making money for yourself with boom 1000 and boom 500 index, trading with this simple strategy that I'm going to show you. Guys, the strategy works perfectly. At the end of the day, you will not lose any funds. This is Forex Success saying this. If you follow the rules of this strategy, you won't lose any money. You won't lose any money. I will explain everything attentively as I'm going on with this video. Guys, right now, all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop new strategies, because I'm going to be dropping updates on how you can modify and use your strategy continuously, because sometimes you might get some modification for your strategies from some updates. So I'm going to be dropping videos for you guys, so make sure you turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up right now, and share it to your friends and loved ones. I'm giving you this strategy for free. It's supposed to be sold, guys. It's supposed to be sold, but I'm giving it for free. So all you can do is subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, for sure. Okay, Forex Success, I'm gonna give okay, let me leave that for now. Let me jump to the strategy, guys. How you can use this strategy to make money. Look, in case you don't know, this is synthetic indices. You can see no currency pairs here. They are all synthetic indices to trade. You can only find these on Deriv. The link is at the description below to open an account and start trading crash and boom volatilities indices with us. So now I jump to this strategy, guys. The good thing I love about this strategy is that it is a continuous strategy. You don't really have to wait till you get that signal before you enter. It is a continuous strategy, so immediately you are taking profit. The end of a buy is the beginning of a sell with this strategy. That is the good thing about it. So for those of us that love to trade on the whole day, you are very lucky to use this strategy, because you're gonna make money with it. So first of all, you can use any zoom level for this strategy, but I prefer using the third zoom level. Yeah, the third zoom level, which is currently on my screen right now. Then the two indicators that you will need for this strategy is, first of all, you will need the MACD. Guys, you know the MACD is a very powerful indicator. You can see the parameters. The first EMA is 12, the slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. Apply to close. The levels, the main blue, the signal red. You click done. This is our MACD. Guys, please, proper attention. Like, focus on this video, guys. Like, this should be the best strategy ever that you will watch. I'm telling you right now, this will be the best strategy ever that you watch. Good. So the next indicator, you add a moving average at the main window. Click on the main window plus button and then go for moving average period 40. Period 40, shift 0 method, simple, apply to close. The levels 0 and the star, use blue. 2 picks there, save and done. As simple as this. This is the strategy. So now, how does it work, guys? How does it work? That is what I will show you right now. Okay, yeah, so this is what you need to observe for this strategy, irrespective of the trend, irrespective of how the market is. It is none of your business. All you need to do is to obey the rules that I will be giving you right now, and then you will make income. You will make income with this strategy, to the glory of God, like I always say. Yeah, so before I will show you guys, let me quickly address this issue. A lot of some persons are dropping comments that are actually, it seems annoying, but I don't really care about it. I think there's a guy, I don't know if he's a guy or gay, but he drops a comment and say, "Hi YouTuber, give us VIP signals, and then you won't have to drop videos anymore. You won't have to create videos anymore." Like, why will he be saying such a thing? I should give signals and I won't have to. Did I tell him I don't like giving videos? I love to teach and I love to share what is helping me with others so that it can help. So I prefer to teach you how to fish instead of giving you fish, of course. And I'm not also that committed to sharing strategies. So imagine I'm taking for VIP signals. How will you be able, and then I don't give you signals for like 2 days because I'm busy? Then how will you feel? My DM will be filled up with people saying no signal today, we paid for it and all that. So I don't like to hurt anybody. That's why I'm not doing it. I mean, it's, if I start doing it, it's another source of income for me, for real. So it's like a source of income for me if I start giving VIP signals, but I'm not giving it because I can't do it. I'm very busy. I have a lot of businesses that I handle. I'm also a farmer. I'm not just a trader. I'm a farmer. Yeah, I raise cattle and pigs and different animals. So guys, the reason we are here is the strategy. So sorry for wasting your time, guys. So sorry for that. But let me give you the strategy right now, how to use it. First of all, two conditions, just two rules. First, watch out for the moving average crossing above or below the chart. And then watch out for this MACD at this point. Please watch this at this point, either above or below. So now, how do you place a buy or a sell with this strategy? Let's say we want to place a buy with this strategy. If you want to place a buy just like this, placing the buy, you wait for the moving average to cross above the chart. So right now the moving average crossed above the chart, and then you wait for this MACD to move above the zero level. You can see it. So this is a perfect opportunity to place a buy, and then you make money. You keep on making it until this is when you leave the chart. You can see this is your stop loss and take profit and everything. This is when you take profit. When the moving average crosses above the chart again, you close your buy position. You can see. So as it crosses above the chart, you close your buy position. And what do you do? As far as the condition is met again, which is the MACD is now below the zero level and the moving average is above the chart, you place your sell again. And what do? You eat some sell from this point, you sell down. Good point, guys. This is what you should always do. You should always place your stop loss above the moving average. Just give it a space and place your stop loss above the moving average. So if you had entered at this point again, you can sell it down. Yeah, and then when you see it cross again, you get, guys, when you see it cross the chart again, preparing for a buy. So at least by this point you should be at with no loss, right? You should be at with no loss. Then as soon as it crosses and then you see another condition for a buy, you enter again, and then what? You keep on moving to the upside again for a buy. So right now we are waiting for the condition right here because it's not yet met. So we need to wait for it to cross fully. Since the chart is still consolidating at this point, you need to wait for the moving average to cross above the chart completely. Then you can go for a sell. Guys, this strategy, look at it. Look at how it works. 15-minute time frame. I use from the 15-minute time frame upward. I don't go for less. So look at it. A buy, the moving average cross below the chart, and then look above the zero for the MACD, and then it's a buy. You can see that you keep on buying, you take your profit here, you sell again at this point when it's not below. You can see that you sell again as you get to this point. As it cross, you buy. You see, continuously you buy, you eat such profit. So as it crosses again, which means all those profit is already in your pocket. So as it crosses again, you are out, you place a sell, you sell. As it crosses again, you are out, you place a buy. You see these guys, I'm opening your eyes to what you didn't know it ever existed. Look at it again. It crosses again. At this point, you entered here, you buy. It crosses above, which indicates, look at the reason why I said you guys should always use a stop loss above the indicator. So let's assume you bought here because of the condition I met, then it buys up to this level and you see that it crosses above, which indicates a sell. Then you run off, you take your profit of this, and then you place what? You place a sell. Good, you place a sell at this point, right? But it kept on buying. It started buying. With your stop loss above this chart, you'll be at. You get that? So as you are at, again, as it crosses above again, you buy. So you can see even the profit you get from here has covered up from this small loss that you made here. So at the end of the day, guys, you are still winning. You will not lose with this strategy. That is just as simple as it. A strategy with a proper stop loss and take profit level continuously. So if I wake up in a day, like let me put it on the 30-minute time frame. If I wake up today and I decided to start trading right from here, I placed the buy, I eat it up to this point, it crosses above, then I'm out again. What do I do again? I place a sell, I take it down. You get that, guys? As far as the condition, I mean, always watch this MACD, guys. Don't focus on only the moving average. Always watch the MACD so that you won't get into trade too early. That's the essence of this MACD. Yeah, so it crossed again. Look at it. It crossed. You can see this point right now. It crossed below and it's already above. Guys, what do? You buy. And then look, if you make such long profit, you are at this point. And then what do you do again? You sell from here based on it crossed above. You get a stop loss. Look at it. You are losing about very few pips, very low amount of pips. You lost here, and then as you are losing, as you are closing the, as it's hitting your stop loss, you are buying from there as well. Continuously again. Look at it. You buy this long one. If you sell here, checking the first condition was met and the second one it was below it, so you get stopped out here again. You can see you place a buy again. You are always gaining more. You see that, guys? You have to eat from there down to this point. It works for any time frame. I prefer the longer time frame because it actually gives you rest. You don't have to stress yourself watching the market for 24 hours. You can place a sell right here. Look at it, a sell right here. Considering the two conditions I made, you sell down, guys. You know how many pips is this? From here to this point, you are making money if you're using better lot size, guys. So you sell down. Look at it, you're still eating, and then what? You are out of the market right here. You see this, guys? You are out of the market right here, and then you place a buy again. Guys, listen, this strategy is the best ever. If you didn't pay attention to this strategy, then you are on your own because you won't make money with it. And mind you, you know, they maintain their system, they adjust it. So whenever they adjust it, you know, there are some quite changes. That's why you see your strategy works for the first month, and then later on it start giving you some losses that you have not been getting while you started using that strategy. So that is why you quickly need to hop on this strategy and make some money for yourself. Guys, I need you guys to comment, drop some comment like, yeah, I want to make money. If I can get up to 100, I want to make money at the comment section, guys. I'm gonna do a giveaway of $100 to 5 persons. I'm gonna select randomly 5 persons. I will reply the comment by telling you to send either your perfect money or your Bitcoin wallet, so that I will credit you. Yeah, so if I get up to 100, I want to make money. I'm gonna give $500 to 5 random persons. Yeah, So guys, you see the strategy. It's from Forex Success and it works. Look at it. So if you enter here, you stop out and then you move again to the upside. Good strategy like that on any time frame, as long as you are willing to wait. Look at this. Do you know this is daily time frame? So this is more than a month. Guys, guys, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. Like, if you place a buy at this level, guys, at this level, you placed a buy and then you eat it up to this point, you are still going, and then what do you do? Because it crossed above, which means you are out here. So you got how many candles? This is more than a month, because if you count these candles, it should be up to 30 or more than 30. That is, each candle represents a day. So you've made this money from this point, this level. You get this, guys. It's a very nice strategy to make money. Boom 1000 and boom 500 in this. So hop on it and start making money with it. Share the strategy, guys. Share it to your friends and loved ones. Let them also enjoy these things with you, guys. Don't be stingy, don't be selfish. Boom 500 in this. Most importantly, guys, subscribe to this channel. This is Forex Success. We are not paying. You're not paying for this. We don't charge anybody. I've never asked anybody to donate or to send anything. No, we don't do that. We have enough money to take care of our needs and ourselves. So we're helping, guys. We're helping. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Our Telegram link is at the description below, and also our Instagram. Follow us, guys. Or create an account with using our link. The link is at the description below and also at the comment section. Create an account and start trading. Make money for yourself. If you're not profitable trading currency pairs, you can start trading synthetic indices. It's 24/7. So this is what I was saying, guys, about the zoom level. Any zoom level works for it. You can see above, sell. You can see it crossed again, buy. You see it? So any zoom level works for the strategy. But me, I like using my third zoom level, which is this. So guys, I believe for those of you that watch the video to the end, because I know a lot of people like to just skip. For those of you that watch the video to the end, I believe you're gonna come back here with testimonies. Yeah, and amen to that. I say a big hallelujah to that, because I really want you guys to, like, it gives me joy when I see comments like, thanks, I made $500. I like, there was a comment I saw like, thanks, you've changed my life, I am buying my car next month. Like, I was so happy, guys. I was so happy seeing that. Wow, actually the work is actually making an impact in people's life. So guys, thank you very much for watching, for spending your time to watch and learn something that will help you financially. For real, I am grateful. This is Forex Success. We are all family here. Hit that red subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Share it to your loved ones. We are Forex Success and we love you. Remember the giveaway. Just comment, I want to make money. As simple as that. I want to make money. If I get up to $500 will be up for grab for 5 persons. Thank you very much.